Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League on PC. First, you will need to download the game, which is free to play, from the Epic Games Store. Before diving in, make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. Also, a stable internet connection is absolutely essential for enjoying online matches without frustrating lag. Get ready to hit the field. Now, let's cover the basic controls. You can choose to play with a keyboard and mouse, using WASD for movement, or connect a controller for a more traditional feel. Jumping is crucial for aerial plays, and boosting gives you that extra speed to chase the ball or make a save. Don't forget to practice power sliding for quick turns and recoveries. Understanding core mechanics is key to success. Always try to collect boost pads scattered across the arena to maintain speed and power. Mastering the double jump allows you to reach the ball in the air for impressive aerial shots and saves. Learning to angle your car for precise shots and practicing dribbling the ball will significantly improve your offensive game. To truly excel, consistent practice is vital. The game offers excellent training packs to hone specific skills like shooting, aerials, and goaltending. Playing casual matches helps you get a feel for the game's pace and team dynamics. Watching professional players can inspire new strategies, and clear communication with your teammates, especially in 3 versus 3, will lead to more victories.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.